Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have a nice or very special unboxing. That's of the Homiee, and it's a 720 digital wireless baby monitor. And of course it comes in 2.4 gigahertz and it has digital wireless pan tilt camera with built-in rechargeable battery, and of course you do also get a 5-inch display. And of course you can see the product preview here. This is the monitor with the 5-inch display, and this is the cool design of the monitor, reminiscent of almost like a small robot. And as we're saying here, the guys over at Homiee were nice enough to send over this product for review. So guys, if you're interested, you can always send in your products for review here on the blog at blogtechtips.com. We also do written reviews over at www.blogtechtips.com and here on the YouTube channel. Alright guys, with that being said, we do technology all day, every day. And of course, this very nice digital wireless baby monitor comes with several features. They include a camera, sound detection, there's a temperature alarm, lullabies, sleep mode, and settings. This is great for keeping your child safe while you are working at home. So for example, you could be downstairs and the child is upstairs, and of course with the monitor you can track what's going on. So let's look at some of the other features. And of course here it's repeated on the side here, the basic information. You can see the nice preview of a mother and their baby, and of course it's a brand new product that was sent over, and we'll try our best to do the review to come look at the comprehensive features so you can actually know exactly what you're getting from this product. And of course, you already run down of the features. There's the 5-inch rechargeable monitor, and of course this monitor works with 3G or 4G networks. And of course guys, there's also a strong transmission with Wi-Fi solution, and it's 100% digital, and you can get up to 900 feet, and that's a very impressive distance. And of course there's remote control lullabies to basically lull your baby back to sleep. And there's also crystal two-way audio. And the two-way audio is great as it allows you to basically from a remote distance talk with your child. And of course there's a number of cool noise cancellation features, noise reduction features to make sure you're always getting crystal clear performance in terms of audio. And of course these are all innovative features. Will make sure that you're never too far away from your child. Alright, so if you look on the other side of the box here, you have a basic breakdown again of the features in a more compact information so you can look through. Now of course inside of this package we have the camera, the monitor, power adapter, power cable, along with the user manual, and of course you have several colors. We opted for the blue version, and at the top of the box here you can see the features again, and it basically is almost looking like the sides. You do see here remote control lullabies, crystal two-way audio, and just basic features again. So we're just going to open up this box right now. Alright, so the first thing that we notice on opening the box right here guys is just the information and stuff at the packaging that comes and pops out right at you. We have a quick card right here, which I think is the welcome card. There might be some information in here. Now I don't this up on camera. Next, we also have this manual here. It says user manual, and that's for the 2.3 gigahertz digital wireless baby monitor. I'm going to put this aside as well, and this is quite thick, indicating that it might be multiple languages and a lot of features, so do watch out for this. And of course we're going to open up, and here we go guys. This is the monitor itself, and as you can see it looks quite nice and everything is neatly tucked away. Thumbs up to Homiee for including this very cool styrofoam material here, and this can keep the monitor very safe while it's being transported, or while you're have it during shipment. It will indicate that you can actually have this product reach your destination without being damaged. And of course we're going to remove these. It looks quite nice in person. I'm just going to fish these out of the package, and of course right away looking at the monitor here, it's a very thick monitor, and of course this adds to the ruggedness of the monitor. And let me just give you an idea how thick this is. You check out right here, it's quite thick, Maybe for the future they can design these to be thinner, but I think this is because of the included battery that's included in here. So I'll put this aside outside, and of course down here you have the cabling. As indicated, there is a charge cable, and this seems to be what looks like micro USB. I'll put this aside as well. Next, we also have down here another USB type cable. All right, so one might be for the monitor, while the other might be for the camera itself. And of course there are these here, which are adapter bricks, two of these, quite nice. And here's a secondary one right here. I'll put these aside as well. Down here we actually have what seem to be mounting screws. You might not need to mount this. And of course we're gonna get the camera, and we're gonna remove it from the box. Alright guys, so here's the camera itself. It has the Homiee logo right here. There is a earpiece section here, that thing to carry audio, and of course up here you have the camera itself. And you do notice the design. It has a very nice kid-friendly look. And of course on the bottom here you have reset buttons and all that, with a cool base that you can sit in place. And over here we have the audio section, and we have the charge port at the back, and of course right here we have a wireless antenna and another section. Not sure what that is. Sound like a speaker, or it might just be a transmission section for audio or so on. Alright, or wireless, I'm not sure. I'll check that out later on. And of course this is all that's included in the box. Alright guys, this is the contents of the package all laid out. As you can see, everything is quite nice. You can see your adapters and cabling, your monitor, and of course the manual, along with the baby monitor right here. Everything looks quite nice as laid out right here. So let's go ahead and just get a quick overview. Next we'll be going into powering these up and actually seeing how they work, and checking out the main features to see if this lives up to the claims of the company, which is Homiee. And of course that's the true fun part of this video that we're looking forward to going into. Alright guys, just some quick notes from earlier. As you can see around here, this sensor right here is actually the temperature probe, and it's used to detect in-room temperatures, just to keep monitoring every thing. Alright guys, so this is a quick overview of the Homiee features. We're going to go into the operation of the product. So of course you do plug in the baby monitor right here, and as you can see, once the baby monitor is plugged in, you do notice this LED at the front, and it's nice because it always indicates when the Homiee baby monitor is on, so you'll know that it's operational and it's monitoring. And of course you do get the full suite of cool stuff such as temperature monitoring, sound detection, and all that. Now check this out guys. Right here at the back you do get this cool kickstand that allows it to stand off, so therefore you can have it mounted properly. And if you're listening in the background, it also allows for two-way audio, meaning you can be in the other room, and once you are in the other room, the audio will be transmitted from the room, from the baby monitor to the room, so you can be a distance off and know what's going on. Also there's a sleep mode, and the sleep mode allows you to turn off the monitor to save battery, and this cool antenna right here allows it to transmit for further distances. I advise that you keep this up. On the front here you notice there is a sound level detector, so if the sound level such as the baby starts crying, the sound level detector will indicate that your baby is up, especially at a distance, even before hearing it through the audio. And again guys, there's a shortcut button that allows you to know what the main shortcuts are, such as increasing and lowering the brightness of the screen, which will also deplete the battery. There's an OK button, and of course there's the top button. I'll test this out right now. Test. Alright, so as you saw just now, the button does work. So once you do that, you can talk to your baby remotely. Next over here, you'll also notice that over here too that there is a sleep option to put the monitor to sleep. You don't want to keep it on all the while. Next there's the menu button and power. Alright, there's the Homiee logo, and you get the 5-inch disc. Also guys, know that you need to keep the camera powered, so do plug this in. If you unplug it, it will go dead, but that's because the camera needs full-time power, but you know when it's on, as I indicated earlier. Alright guys, also you can check out right over here as you're seeing I'm showing here. You can set the time and date. The interface is dead simple, so I'll show you right here again. There's also a night mode. Let's check this out, guys, while I turn off the light in the room. So let's check this out immediately. Alright guys, here is the night vision mode, and of course I just wanted to show you this. Of course you can check it out. The screen does show black and white, and that's because the night vision is enabled. You can also check out the LEDs, or the infrared LEDs, that allows for the night vision mode right over here. And you can see that the camera is now in night vision mode. That's when the room is a little bit too dark, and it works nicely as well as things are very clear. You can also notice that the monitor does give you a very nice display, indicating that right away you can see all details even in dark conditions, which is also a good feature to have. Alright, so guys, also check it out. You can pan and tilt. So here's the camera, and I'll try to show you both on screen at the same time. So we're still in night vision mode, but notice that the camera can tilt almost 360 degrees. You can check out right here, it's moving around the room. There you go. It's actually able to move freely and pick up all movements in the room, so you can monitor your baby remotely, and all of this is being controlled wirelessly. So as you can see here, all of this works just fine. It shows you which direction you're moving on screen. Also guys, I'll run you through the quick menus right here. So let's go. First of all, if you hit the menu button right here, you'll notice that you have a simple setup. I advise you go in and change the time and date. First of all, you can have multiple cameras, for example up to 4 cameras, and they can be set at different locations. Alright, and next I'm just going to show you, by hitting menu you can go back. You have sound detection, and sound detection allows you to detect sound in the room. You can set the sensitivity from low to high, or just keep it at default. That is a nice added feature. Hitting menu again, we go back. There's also the temperature. In here you can also set, in the temperature area you can also set if you want Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, followed by also if you want the temperature warning monitor to come on, in case when the room gets too hot you can know. And I advise you keep that on along with your preferred Celsius or Fahrenheit setting. Alright, going back to the menu again, there are lullabies. I'll just play them shortly. I don't know if they are copyrighted. They are up to 5, and you can just have all of them playing at once. I'll give you a short preview, and there you go. And of course, alright, I won't play anymore. I don't want to be copyright strike, but you get the general idea. These are popular lullabies, and they do play to help your child to go to sleep. If we hit menu, we go back again. Next we have sleep mode. You can choose the duration of time your device goes into sleep mode, but of course even if the monitor is asleep, which you can also press the sleep button on the panel itself, you'll still be able to get audio, and if you hear something you can always turn on the monitor again to observe. Alright, next on sleep mode you can go into settings. Settings is quite simple. In settings you have the time. You can also reset the device, and of course there's the information on your device itself. I think that's also firmware information and all that, and that's it in a nutshell. Setup was quite easy guys. All I had to do was just remove the monitor from the box. So all I had to do was just remove the monitor from the box, and as you can see I'll show you sleep easily. Everything is paired out the box, and I love the indicator here that gives sound, especially when your child starts crying. You'll know, especially the higher the sound indicated, higher that he or she is crying. And of course guys, the guys at Homiee have done a very solid job. I like the fact that this thing is durable, and of course it's made out of plastic, white, and you notice we opt for the blue version. You can choose the version that you like. It seamlessly blends in the room. You can place this on a flat surface somewhere where you can overlook the crib or the entire room, so you can actually check out everything that's going on. I love the pan and tilt feature that allows you to rotate and move around the room and see exactly what's taking place. If I had any complaints, it would be that a zoom feature would be nice, even if it's limited zoom, to allow you to zoom in on targets. I like the addition of the night mode. Night mode is perfect, especially in conditions where things do get dark. You can know what's taking place in the room. And of course guys, the kickstand at the back is a nice touch with the added antenna and the great distance. It's simple, intuitive, You don't have to be a tech wizard to know what's going on. It's as simple as removing this from the box, plugging in the monitor, and you're good to go. So I give this product easily 9 out of 10. And of course, the only reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 and not a full 10 is just some minor things that's missing. Another thing that I think would be nice if the monitor itself had a built-in battery. The built-in battery would be great for cases where the the camera itself is plugged out. The battery could kick in and actually give you some backup. And of course, guys, as always, this has been a review of the Homiee baby monitor. I do tell you right away, if you're in the market for a baby monitor, go ahead and purchase this one. I have loved the features. I'll be checking it out fully. I'll be doing a review over at the website blogtechtips.com. There I'll do the further review where I put this thing through the paces and tell you the exact nuances. But so far I'm loving the device. It has been working quite fine out the box. And of course I give Homiee full marks for packaging and the love that goes into their product. And of course for their version 2.0, I'm sure they'll implement stuff such as the battery and the zoom feature. And of course then if they do that, I'll definitely give them a full 10 out of 10. And of course guys, the display, as you saw, is quite nice. It's 720p, seem to be upscale 720p, but you do see clearly, especially in the dark. So therefore guys, as I was saying, great product, definitely worth your money. So just go ahead guys and purchase this product. You can pick it up on places like Amazon. You do get time and date as the temperature and so on, and of course battery indicators, full signal to how far you are from the monitor, and they just start off everything. Alright guys, Ricardo Gunner from Blog Tech Tips with a review of this product, which is the Homiee wireless baby monitor. Alright guys, Ricardo Gunner saying bye until next time. Just remember to hit subscribe and like buttons. Ricardo saying bye until I see you again. Bye guys.